Stampy cat here. Today, I am gonna show you my fidget spinner. All my fingers are right here. Okay, hang on, we're gonna put the camera in place. That just was my knees that I was sitting on. Okay, now see how long it will spin for. By the way, I got this off of eBay. It's awesome. Paid $8 for it. Whoa. No. Actually, I paid 10 for it. Yeah, 10. What are you doing?
Walker.
Mine's black and silver. The rims are silver. The rest is black. It is fully customizable and silver. And one thing that's cool to take this off. The piece where it spins, where you get a nice grip. Just spin it if you're bored. Oh, ow. You can take these to school too. Pretty neat. Make sure to subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hiya.